Hi kids, welcome back in my channel. Today in this video you will learn about different colors and their name. Red, R-E-D, red. Here you can see different objects which are red in color like an apple, rose, circle and strawberries. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Here you can see orange object like orange purse, carrot, triangle and orange. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Here you can see pink objects like flower, doll, cuboid and birthday card. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Here you can see yellow objects like an umbrella, sunflower, smiley ball and balloons. Light green, L-I-G-H-T, light, G-R-E-E-N, green, light green. Kids, you can see here all objects are light green color like ball, purse, shoes and frog. Dark green, D-A-R-K, dark, G-R-E-E-N, green, dark green. Here you can see dark green objects like tree, oval, rectangle and capsicum. Sky blue, S-K-Y, sky, B-L-U-E, blue, sky blue. You can see sky, arrow, t-shirt, flag which are sky blue in color. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Here are objects which are blue in color like blue umbrella, blue purse, cloud and mug. Indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. Here you can see indigo objects like heart, speaker, smiley and arrow. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Now you can see purple objects like flower, envelope, bag and ball. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Horse, basket, chocolate, table. These all are brown in color. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Now you can see black telephone, black bag, black shoes and black sofa. Grey, G-R-E-Y, grey. Grey ball, grey t-shirt, grey bag and mug. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Here you can see white sheep, garlic, umbrella and swan. You can see here is a rainbow. Now you have to tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow. Give your answers in a comment box. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.